Alrighty, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today at the Cascadia Blooms Farm, we are going to be making you guys CBD butter. We're going to show you how to make it step by step, and then we're going to make it into something for you guys, just so that you can kind of see what we do with it and how we consume it. We do know that not everyone likes to consume our product by smoking or vaping. It's not the absolute healthiest ways, so we do want to give you guys an alternative way to consume. So here we go. We're going to start our video. We're going to be making chocolate chip cookies today after we make our butter. So we are going to show you from raw flour that we sell on the site to the final product that we will give testimonials on from everyone here on what they think of the taste, how it affects them, the feelings that they get from it, all of that, because we want you guys to have the best testimonials so that you guys can try it out yourself. Okay, let's go. Alrighty guys, so we did make canna butter last week. Unfortunately, over the weekend, someone mistook it for something else and threw it away. So we're restarting. I just laid out some small buds here of Hawaiian Haze. You can use any size buds. I just did smalls because we don't sell those as often, and I'm not taking away from as much product here. So we have Hawaiian Haze here. I have the oven set to 200 degrees. Awesome. We're gonna open that up, and we're gonna put this in there for 20 to 30 minutes. All right, now we're just gonna grind up those baked buds, guys. I used a coffee grinder because you get more ground at once. All right, guys, we added our 2 sticks of butter to our 2 cups of water, and it is simmering and melted. So now we're gonna add all of our CBD bud. Just add it all in there. Wow, that's a lot. Now we're gonna mix it. And it is still on low. You're gonna mix it well and then let it simmer for 2 to 3 hours, stirring every 15 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been going for about an hour now. We're stirring again and it should start looking like this. I did add another cup of water because it was getting really thick. So just to keep it going so that it doesn't burn. Okay guys, sorry I forgot to record this part, but this time we just took a mason jar, put our cheesecloth over it and tied a rubber band around it, and then poured that cooked mixture through there so that we're getting all of that ground up bud caught there, and then we're gonna drain it all out. Okay guys, so we're just straining out that excess liquid from that bud that we strained out. You'll see the butter and the water separating. We want that because when you refrigerate it, the butter will solidify on top and then we'll be able to dump that water out. I know it looks gross right now, but just bear with me. It's gonna look better, okay? Okay guys, so here is our final product of the CBD butter. I know that the jar is different. Unfortunately, someone accidentally threw away the last one, so I hurried up and remade some for you guys so that we could continue on with this video. The color came out really beautiful green. It does change colors, so if it looks a little gross like the last one did, I promise you it'll change colors as it refrigerates, okay? And I just cut around with a butter knife so that we could dump out that remaining water. We now have our CBD cookie dough. I just used the recipe on the back of the chocolate chip bag, but with CBD butter. Okay guys, so I was gonna take a first look at everyone's like taste and I don't know, feelings on the cookies, but this is Nika's second cookie. So we're gonna talk to her about how she likes the second one.
You know,
Good?
it's really bomb. I love the taste of cannabis in my food. So this is really nice to have at work because I'm not getting high, but I still get the taste. And the chocolate chips are bomb. So.
Can you get a little zoom in on that?
Woo!
All right, guys. Tom tried the CBD cookies, and now is going to tell us what he felt from them.
Well, they felt good. The pain of my kind of aches and pains that I feel at 53 kind of went away in my knees. Hands have been killing me, busting scissors for a week, but dude here definitely loved them too. So. Hands up. Not a lot of bad taste aftertaste either. They didn't taste too green,
okay,
which was good.
Okay,
Too
cool.
green grosses me out.
So thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thank you. Okay guys, we have Paul trying his first CBD cookie.
CBD cookie. Smells wonderful.
Good?
Tasty. Really can't even taste, never even talk about my mouth full. I can't taste the weed. I just
Nice.
barely. Yeah, so.
So good? 1 out of 10.
I don't know. Give it an 8.
8, we'll take it. Tried his CBD cookie. Tell us how you feel.
Oh man.
No, I'm kidding. No, actually, it just gave me a little bit of kind of a relax. I definitely maybe not drive the first time you try these things. You know, do it before bed because everybody's affected differently. But yeah, it just gave me a little kind of relax. You know, got rid of my shoulder pain, and it was actually kind of nice. So.
Sweet, thank you.